Hello, I'm Andy Singh and I'm going to read to you your monthly horoscope for the month of November for those of you who are Tiger. Now, of you who are Tiger are going to have a mixed first 21 days of November. The good side is that your energy levels will be very high, your determination will be very high. The bad news is that past problems come back to haunt you in the first 21 days of November if you are Tiger. And the other bad news is that unexpected difficulties also keep popping up in the first 21 days of November if you are Tiger. So you need to slow down and in your quest for progress. Regarding your career, you may find that although you are doing the right thing, yet blame comes unexpectedly, or past mistakes are brought up to trouble you. In business, you will find that while your determination level is very strong, unexpected disappointments will come your way. You may find suddenly that your bidding was wrong, so watch out that you look at contracts carefully. And in the area of making contacts, don't be forceful, otherwise others will find you to be on the brink of being rebellious. So try to take it easy in the first 21 days if you are chasing for a business contract. Also, past difficulties if you are in business are going to haunt you in the first 21 days of November if you are Tiger. General finances are shown to be up and down. It's a mixed period. So I would say that rather than take risk, just play safe in the first 21 days of November regarding general finances. Regarding romance, you will be very active and you will be very daring and very aggressive in your chase for someone that you want. But unexpected bad news or unexpected difficulties will pop up as well. So it's going to be a very trying and insecure first 21 days of November for you where romance is concerned. I rather you play safe and wait and see. Regarding marriage, yes, you can control the situation, I agree, but unexpected difficulties, unexpected bad news, unexpected secrets perhaps may pop up, and this can lead to a conflict which can be very strong. It can bring depression. So be careful there in the first 21 days of November if you are Tiger in the area of your marriage. Family areas generally are going to be a 50-50 affair. Financial areas are not very secure, so a little bit of stress there. A tendency of you to come out very strong in what you want to say or do, and that's not very good either. And you can be also seen as very dominating and domineering during this period of the first 21 days of November. So a soft approach is going to help you very much get the situation going in your family areas to a positive level. Regarding health, I am a little bit worried about some parts of you, and for the first 21 days I would worry about things like appendicitis or your lungs the most of all, and a little bit about the blood pressure as well, because you're going to find some disappointment or stress and that may increase your blood pressure. I'm going to mention some ages now, and these ages are basically to warn you, if you are of these ages, to be very careful in the first 21 days of November. And these ages are, if you are the ages of 22, 31, 40, 49, 58, 67, 76 or 85, then be very careful that you are very exposed to problems in the first 21 days of November. Problems can come in areas of finances, which include career and business. Problems can come in areas of romance and marriage as well. These ages are exposed to difficulties in the first 21 days of November. I would like you to avoid the color red for the first 21 days of November. It's a color which you may not be able to control because it makes you over daring and saying things very bluntly. I would like you to wear the color green as much as possible for the first 21 days of November, as that will bring harmony and it will bring the soft approach from you. Regarding travel, be very careful as you travel. Opportunities are seen, and yes, you are ready to go. But this problem about unexpected situations that go bad keeps cropping up in your first 21 days. So if you must go, double check on everything so that nothing can go wrong. Now I want to talk to you about your last 9 or 10 days of November. Okay, excuse me. Your last 9 or 10 days of November, for those who are Tiger. Your last 9 or 10 days of November are much better than the first 21 days. And your last 9 or 10 days of November, they bring good news of all kinds. Regarding your career, you get good news, you can be promoted, your area of responsibility can be enhanced. The possibility of travel is even better and safer now in the last 9 or 10 days for those who are Tiger. And also, recognition can come for you very quickly and easily in the last 9-10 days of November regarding your career. In business areas, you are going to be lucky and you will attract some kind of a contract and you will attract some kind of a good news. So general finances are improving in your last 9 or 10 days. Regarding romance, yes, there's a big improvement. You are in charge, people find you attractive, you will have all the areas of progress shown very nicely as well. So you are doing very well in the areas of romance for the last 9, 10 or 10 days of November if you are Tiger. And regarding marriage, you will also be very happy and solutions are seen, and you will find that good news from your partner or from you brings a lot of controlling of the earlier stress areas. General family areas will be happy in the last 9 or 10 days, a good time to plan changes or to plan any kind of expansion. Regarding your health in the last 9 or 10 days, I'm a little worried about your spine and about your breathing problems. Now that's very general, but think about that. If you are having difficulty in breathing, then you need to go and check out for those areas. If you're a woman, then I am a little worried in your last 9 or 10 days about cysts, C-Y-S-T-S. They can be in the ovaries or they can be elsewhere. So worry about cysts and go and check on that part of it. Now, your last 9 or 10 days, the earlier ages also apply. But I'm going to come up with some ages which are going to be extremely lucky for some people. So if you are the ages of 21, or 30, or 39, or 48, or 57, or 66, or 75 in the last 9 or 10 days of November, and if you are Tiger, then get ready for some kind of windfall or some kind of very good news in your career or some very good news in your business area as well. And you may even find some exceptional good news in romance or marriage areas as well. If you are traveling in the last 9 or 10 days of November, it's going to be a very good time for you to travel. Everything works like clockwork. You don't get into any kind of a mess. And whatever you are traveling for, whether it's holiday or whether it's business, the end result is that you come out a winner. And that's what I have to tell you for those who are Tiger for the month of November, your horoscope. Thank you and goodbye.